Simplify 3 by root 8 plus 1 by root 2. We have root in the denominator of first as well as the second term. So, we are going to use rationalization of the denominator to solve this question. Let us do this, and it is easy. Let's write down the question first, which is 3 upon root 8 plus 1 upon root 2, which is equal to, the first step is to rationalize the denominator. So here, in the first term, the denominator is root 8. So in order to rationalize this, we have to multiply it with root 8. And in order to keep the term same without changing its value, we have to multiply this in the numerator also. Same way, in the second term, you see we have root 2. So the rationalization factor for this is root 2, and here we have to multiply the same in the numerator to keep its value same. So we get 3 root 8 divided by root 8 into root 8 plus we have 1 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, which is equal to, simplifying it further, we get 3 root 8 divided by root 8 into root 8 gives us 8 plus 1 into root 2 can be written as root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2, which is equal to, the LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. So we write it down here, and 8 ones are 8, 1 into 3 root 8 gives us the same, that is 3 root 8 plus 2 fours are 8, and 4 into root 2 gives us 4 into root 2. Moving ahead further, 3 into root 8. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 plus we already have 4 root 2 here divided by 8. Now don't take the common as 4 root 2 because here it is root 4 and here it is outside. So in the next step, this is a common mistake that students do in the examinations. In a hurry, they just see that 4 2 and they pick it up. Don't do it. It will be 3 into root of 4. We can take its value by removing the radical, which gives us 2, and root 2 remains inside. Plus we already have 4 root 2 divided by 8, which is equal to 3 into 2 6 root 2 plus 4 root 2 divided by 8 equal to, here you see we have root 2 and root 2. That means we can take root 2 as common. So inside we are left with 6 in the first term plus 4 in the second term divided by 8, which is equal to root 2 into 6 plus 4, that is 10 divided by 8. Here we have a common factor 2 for 10 and 8, so we can just cancel it. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So we get it as 5 root 2 divided by 4, which is our final answer. So you see, it was easy. The only trick is, don't get scared. Just start solving it. Use the rules that you have learned, the methods that you have learned, practice it, and you will get the answer. Believe me, study more, not anymore.